Hey, what's up, guy? So today I'm gonna review to you the all steps on how you can start a cash cow YouTube channel. So if you have been looking for a way on how you can start a cash cow YouTube channel, in this video I'm gonna show you the all steps, what you need and all it takes to have a cash cow YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button here and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. So what is YouTube cash cow and how does YouTube cash cow channels actually looks like? So in this video, I'm going to share with you or show you some examples of cash cow YouTube channel. So how do you figure out cash cow YouTube channel? Let's say for instance, I search for top 10 top 10 um cars in the world. Okay, so I'll go for the first one. So you can see all these cars, all these videos here. You can see this channel offer a channel that it's faceless channel. So you can see all the video they made are faceless videos, so they don't need to show their face before they make a video. So you can see all these videos here. This is an examples, a typical examples of cash cow YouTube channel. So what are the things you need to put in place to have this kind of channel on your own and make passive income on on YouTube? So I'll also show you what this channel is making using social blade. So so we'll get the idea of how much this channel is actually making on YouTube. So I'll paste the name here, then search. Oh, okay, coming. Okay, yeah, so okay, so this is the details about the channel. So the channel has 49 videos already, and uh 500,000 subscribers. So you can see the views here, which is 33 million. And you can see when the channel is already existing, it's all about 2010. So you can see the growth. You see the growth here. You see weekly growth on subscribers. Then you see the amount they are making yearly. So you can see what they are making on a monthly basis. So this average of what they are making on a monthly basis. So and the channel was created in India, I think. Yeah, I think it is India. So you can see almost everything about this channel, and there are still more channel like that they are offering this kind of faceless channel, which is YouTube cash cow. So you can see if I click here, I'll be able to see some similar channels that are related to Felix Tens here. So but that is just that. So how do you get started and what exactly do you need to get started with cash cow YouTube channel? So here on this blog, so I was able to get the whole stuff, the whole idea on how you can get started or set up your own cash cow YouTube channel. So when I go through this article, so I noticed that uh the person that actually introduced this cash cow of a thing was Chase Namik. So I did some research about him. Then I found out one of his channel on Instagram. So I tried to check. So I tried to check to see what the channel is, is all about. So I found out, 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 his Instagram account as well. Then you can say, okay, so here we have what is the purpose of the cash cow YouTube channel. So YouTube cash cow YouTube channel is a channel that you don't need to show your face before you can start making money on that particular channel. And of course, you can create different kind of videos, and it doesn't mean that you should be the person to um to do your video or to write your script, create your videos, or do your voiceover on your videos. So you can actually hire people to do all that kind of service or things for you. So then I noticed that there are some other channels that offer or that are created this kind of cash cow YouTube videos as well. So I went through all these videos here and I see the kind of video they are actually making on YouTube. So then this is the analysis of this channel as well, what they are actually making on YouTube through their earnings. Then I noticed that they are actually using some affiliate marketing program on their comment section so that people can actually purchase or buy something that they showing in their videos. So then I scroll down to the second channel that was introduced, and this channel is a new channel that are just starting their videos. As you can see, they have less subscribers on the channel, and but I believe as time goes on, this channel will definitely grow massively. So that is that. Then this is the analysis of that channel as well. So, and these are the below screenshots of some cash cow channels earnings on a monthly basis. So you can see here, so you can see this one also. This is the last 90 days what the channel has made, which is 3 months. So then it goes on. Then I noticed that the first thing that you need to take care of is conduct a niche research for you to check out channel that you actually want to start. So you can see here all these channel are based on some are based on the niche and some are based on random niche, which is top 10. So they can talk about top 10 most expensive houses in the whole world. So anything top 10, yeah, that's what they actually make. So you can see here top 10 most expensive military aircraft in the world. So top 10 fastest car in the world. So you can see these are different. It's just all about top 10, top 10, and top 10. So that is the kind of video they are making, and also they also look into some other other videos as well, but that is not what we're actually looking at. So then what are the things you need to get in place before you start a cash cow YouTube channel? So the first thing, okay, yeah, the first thing is conduct niche research on the kind of video that you want to make. Then conduct video research for YouTube cash cow channel. What type of video and how long was the video that you want to be making, and how will you get person that will be doing that kind of things for you. Then research about title, thumbnail for your cash cow channel, which they are very important, because thumbnail and title are what people will definitely see firstly before they even click on your video. So these are very important, and if your thumbnail is not catchy enough, there is no one that will click on your video on a video. So you need to make sure you hire a professional that will definitely do that for you in a short time. And regarding this, upload your first 30 YouTube cash cow videos. So in case you want to hire some editors, some writers, so I'll just advise you to go for a monthly package. So make sure you have at least 30 videos that you can definitely upload to your channel. Then as time goes on, you keep on growing, so you will know that you already have 30 videos for your channel, which is very ready to go. Then as time goes on, you proceed on making another videos. But with that 30 videos, you'll be able to understand what you have within that time and how your channel will definitely grow within that time. So the next thing is to analyze and optimize your data, which if you know much about YouTube, so definitely you should make sure you use all the right title for your video, description, and also keywords that people will definitely use to locate your video on YouTube, and also some other uh, search engine which will help you to grow faster like you hope for or you expected. So let's take for instance, maybe you don't have anybody, maybe you don't have idea on how you can actually do a video editing, writing a script, making a video, thumbnail design. So you can hire people on Fiverr platform or an Upwork to write your script, to edit your video, to uh, to make a voiceover for you, and to design your video thumbnail for you perfectly. So when I search for these keywords on Fiverr, so I was able to see or found some seller that are already offering this kind of service on Fiverr platform, which will definitely help you if you don't have or know how you can actually get started. So and then you can hire some cash cow um channel manager who are definitely a professional in this niche already. So definitely this will help you to get the whole idea and have a less stress, because you are actually hiring a professional to work on your channel for you, which you, at least at the end of the day, you're going to have a certain goal that you actually expected. So you can come here to Fiverr as well to hire some seller for your voiceover. So regarding your video, then they will make a perfect voiceover for you that it's well perfect for your video. So then designing a thumbnail, this is also important, like I told you earlier on. So this is what people will definitely see before they click on your video, and if your thumbnail is not perfect, there is no one that will click on your video. So then regarding creating a list of the tasks that require automation. So the tasks that these are the tasks that require automation. Maybe you don't know how to create a professional YouTube channel, so you can proceed. Then someone that will help you optimize your channel to make it perfect. Then research about script writing, voiceover, then video editing, creating a thumbnail. Then I think this part should be done by yourself, because uploading a video, or you can actually hire someone and give that person an access to upload your video for you in no time. So create an advertisement for each of these positions. So uh, if you like to have a special person for all these kind of tags up here, so you can definitely create a post or post a request on Fiverr or Upwork upon your project, and definitely people are going to apply for it. So and within that time, you can do some other research on your own to see how or the niche you are choosing is profitable. Then see some other channels that are already in there, how they are actually performing. Does it actually worth you're trying? Because this will definitely cost you money, stress, and some other stuff, but at the same time, at the end of the day, I'm very sure it's going to worth it. So this is all I have for you in this video, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can drop a comment and I'll definitely reply to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.